her Samuel, and Samuel was the one of the significant or one of the first prophets in the Bible na ito yung actually mahalaga si Samuel kung babasahin yung Old Testament kasi siya yung nag-initiate na dati kasi yung Israel is a tribal pero ginawa niya ito as monarchy. Tapos siya rin yung parang naging wing, kung isipin niyo dun sa sinulat niya, sa character niya, siya yung parang wingman ni ni David, King David. Siya yung nagpapaalala dito, siya yung nagre-reprimand sa kanya. So parang naging tatay niya itong prophet na to. So you see, from Jochebed, from Ruth to Hannah, nakita niyo yung nakasama lahat ito sa redemptive plan ng Panginoon kung saan patungo kay Jesus Christ. So mahalaga ang mahalaga ang character ng ina. And even on contemporary times, di ba? Ang binanggit ko lang na ito is noong mga nakaraang panahon. Actually, a mother's love always gives us a glimpse of, our father's unconditional love. Amen. Alam mo ba't ko nasabi to? Kasi if we look at even in the it's not just contained to human being, but even in the animal kingdom, even the mammals. Alam niyo, pag nanganak sila, di ba? Ang unang when they, as soon as they come out of the womb of their mothers, whether it's an animal or human being, ano yung inong ginagawa ng mga nag-a-assist sa kanila? Di ba, hindi ito inilalapit sa nurse, hindi ito inilalapit sa kung kanino, hindi ito inilalayo sa magulang. Itong batang to, itong living being na to inilalapit sa nanay. And you know why? Yun din yung parallel nito sa sa Bible. Kasi ang Panginoon may unconditional love din. And on a scientific area to, alam mo bakit kailangan ang mga bata, whether it's an animal or na inilalapit sa mammary glands ng mga nanay. Yung kasing milk ng magulang, meron yung meron niyang special nutrients na nagpo-fortify sa katawan ng bata. Bigla akong inisip, sabi ko, paano kaya ako si MJ nung pinanganak ko, inuha ka agad namin. Siguro hindi ito magtatagal. So nakita niyo yung kahalagahan ng magulang. So sa umpisa pa lang, and also, mind you, between dad, not to sideline the dad, okay?
Di ba, babawi tayo.
Yes, pastor. Ikaw pastor magsalita. I-depend mo tayo. Between dad and mom, come to think of it, bakit ang mga bata ay unang inilalapit sa magulang as a nanay to nurture them, right? I'm not saying dad doesn't have any role on all of it. Dad teaches kid for responsibility, accountability. Mom normally nurtures and gives their children love and kindness. Isipin niyo yun. Yun ang kahalagahan ng magulang, ng mom. Yung sa first part ng pagiging tao natin, sila nagtuturo ng kindness and ng love. It's exciting to think about there are other cultures, I'm not gonna say what culture they are, pero yung ibang culture makita mo, ang kabataan they're so good at sports, pero you know what, they're devoid of love. Magaling sila sa mga extracurricular activities, they excel in their academics. Pero sa makita mo mga bata, they don't have an idea, hindi nila alam yung pagmamahal, which is very sad. Okay? But we as believers and we as Christians, I think we're fortunate enough, or not fortunate, but we're blessed enough na tayo alam natin yung dynamics ng ganyan.
Amen.
So that's why mothers are important part of our lives.
Amen.
Whether it's in the animal kingdom or to us. Now, let me read to you Proverbs 31:10-12. No, that's password. 25-28 and 30-31. I'm just gonna summarize it really quickly and then we'll go. A wife of noble character, who can find? She is worth far more than rubies. Her husband has full confidence in her and lacks nothing of value. Just ask my wife. She brings him good.